Hey everyone! I decided to do a voiceover this time, so I hope you guys don't mind. Today I'm going to be unboxing and modding the Keychron K10 Pro, which I obviously already unboxed. So just pretend it's in the correct box and it's perfectly packaged. But anyway, now I'm going to do a quick typing sound test of the board completely stock. So yeah, I think it sounds pretty good stock. It came with factory lubed Keychron K10 brown switches. This build was for my brother. His birthday was coming up and he had asked me if I could make him a custom keyboard, and I was like, say less. He wanted it to be full layout. He wanted the number pad like attached to the keyboard, not separate. He's an accountant. He wanted tactile switches, wireless or Bluetooth connectivity, and the option of RGB. At this point, I was thinking like we need to speed this up. I do not have all night. So I did a little abracadabra and poof, look at that, keycaps, switches, gone. Okay, but wasn't that so cool? I thought that was like the coolest thing when I was editing. So here I am unscrewing the plate from the PCB. There were many screws. It took quite a long time. And the plate has some nice foam attached. Also the plate is an aluminum plate. I thought it was cool that it came with this like silicone type dampening pad thing. I don't really know what you would call that. So now I'm just taking apart the stabilizers and I'm gonna just speed this up. So now that that's done, I'm just taking some alcohol and removing the factory lube from the wires. And here's me doing it the lazy way because I was running out of time. Next, I took some Krytox 205 grade 0 and dielectric grease to lube the stabilizers. And now I'm just balancing the stabilizer wires. I didn't have any pins or anything like that nearby, so I just used something flat and I was tapping each side of the wire to see where any adjustments were needed. Now I am lubing the stabilizer housings with the Krytox 205 grade 0. So while I do that, how do we feel about the voiceover situation? Do we like it? Do we not like it? Definitely just let me know. So now I'm doing the tape mod, and I used 2 layers of Scotch painter's tape. I got the delicate one only because I thought the color was cute. Here's what it looks like after the 2 layers of tape have been added, and the little wrinkles in the tape like really bothered me, but I did not have time to start over. I just had to go with it. So because I was rushing, I totally forgot to cut holes in the tape, so I had to like snap it back into place. So here I am just checking the stabilizers, making sure they sound okay. Do not make the same mistake that I have made many times and wait until you put the whole keyboard back together and then realize one of your stabilizers is rattling or something stupid. So always test them before you finish. For this build, I used some glorious Pandas. Very nice tactile switch. Love those. You probably peeped that I had 2 different kinds of switches on this board. Hear me out, okay? Long story short, didn't have enough glorious Pandas. I had some leftover smoky Durock T1s, and it worked. A win is a win. So here I am putting together the cutest little Game Boy Artisan keycap for the escape key. And there we have it. I think it looks really, really good. I wish I would have zoomed in more on the tab key. But anyway, the only thing left to do is to hear how this thing sounds. And then that'll be the video. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, I'm done talking. Okay, bye!